$100,000 US dollars. This piece.
This piece.
If 1 year ago, how much is this?
1 year ago, because now the gold price is so high, so high. The 1 ounce is become. Some people they predict that the gold price will become high. Maybe around 1 year ago, the gold price will be. It was 73,000 before.
So now it's 30,000 US dollar more.
Maybe 12 बजे के बाद 12 बजे के बाद.
Some people they are not checking regarding the gold rate is high. If they want to buy gold, they will buy the gold. They're asking also for the gold price, but sometimes some people they care about if they know the gold price will become high, they will sell again the gold.